Let's take a look at reference planes. Now, while you can sketch anywhere in space, it's best to lock to a sketch plane to make sure your sketch is starting in the right place. So the best thing to do is either lock your sketches to a base plane or a reference plane. And the way we do that is we go to the draw commands, and in this case we'll just pick on a rectangle by center, and if we hover around the coordinate system we see this lock, and that's what locks us to these faces of the coordinate system. We see there's one there, there's one down there, there's one on the front there. Now these are a little hard to see. That's why maybe we want to turn on our base reference planes. This is a lot easier to identify and work with these planes. So if we'd like to sketch on the right plane, for example, and draw some circles, we go down to the right plane, and let's just go up in this corner, and we see the lock. Once you select that lock, if you look over here, it places a lock in the top right hand corner. So whatever we draw in this area, whatever position, we could rotate this around, we could rotate it up, all these circles are going to be on that sketch plane. If you scroll around, you can see that. No matter what you do, that's where they are. Now, say we wanted to go and sketch on the front view now, and we rotate it around, we see the front view, and I'd like to do some rectangles on the front view. If I start sketching there, now what's happening? It's not locking onto the front view. Where's this rectangle at? Well, it's still on that same sketch plane. Why? Because this lock is on. So let's hit undo. And I have to go and turn that lock off. How do you do that? I come over and click on the lock. It simply turns it off. It's like a toggle. And now if I wanted to go and place a rectangle on the front view, I click on the lock and I'm locked on that face now. No matter where I sketch, what I do, at what orientation, everything I sketch now is on that front view. And you can see all those rectangles are on the front view. Now, same if we'd like to sketch on the top view. There's our top view right here, and let's just draw an ellipse, for example. If I start sketching an ellipse right here, where am I? Where's that ellipse getting placed? It's not on the top view, it's still getting placed out here on the front view, and it's sort of skewed out there. So if I hit undo, what do I need to do? I need to go and toggle the lock, click on the lock right there, go back to my tangent by center, I see my top view, and then I click on the lock there. And so whatever I draw here, I know that that is on the top view, and I can spin that around and rotate and see that is on the top view.